Hello and welcome back to Messing with Resin, and today I am making an elegant lady jewellery stand, and I've already filled in the details as you can see there with some black paint, and I've let that dry, and then that will come out once the resin hits it. Apologies for the very bottom of the mould not being in camera view, but basically what I'm doing is adding the red glitter resin to the flower and then the green glitter resin to the main body of the lady. So you'll see as I go further up me adding the red to the flowers. Now I do this a little bit at a time because I don't want it to flood out, because I want to try and make the full flower red. So it is a bit tricky. I have left the resin sitting there for a little bit longer, so it is a little bit thicker than normal, so it doesn't run as fast, if you get my meaning. So you can see it sort of like staying there. So I do this procedure for the whole of the top part to where the flowers are, and the circle part you can see there with the two prongs, that is the base, what the lady slots into to stand up. There are holes for earrings to be hooked through. The branches are great for necklaces and rings, and they can be made with any colour flowers or a complete solid colour. So if you would like one custom made for yourself, I'll put all the details in the description box below on how you can contact me to get one ordered. And yeah, so I'll just carry on filling these pieces up, and then once it's all filled with the resin, I just carefully go round, just add in a bit of every colour, like you can see me doing there, just to make sure it is filled up completely to the top of the mould. So that's adding a bit of red. There is a big flower at the bottom, you will see that once I come to the unmoulding part, you will see that. And then obviously not forgetting to fill the base up, and then yeah, I'll just go round with a cocktail stick to make sure there's no bubbles, and then spritz with some isopropyl alcohol, leave it to dry overnight, and then when we come back we'll be unmoulding. But it's super pretty so far, and as you can see the red have stayed in place. So yeah, stay tuned for the unmoulding. Okay, I hope you can hear me through the raindrops. It's time to unmould this beauty, and as I said, I left it overnight. I had my heater on, so it sort of like kept the chill off, but not obviously too hot because of the cost of energy nowadays. But anyway, yeah, so you can see that bottom red flower that I was on about, and that gorgeous glitter mix, green glitter mix that I custom made for this particular piece. And I want to be careful because obviously I don't want to snap any of the branches, and yeah, that was a bit tricky, but almost there. And there we go. The black detail that I coloured in on the mould has transferred to the green resin. The red and the green go so well together. I love this shade of green mix that I made, and that's what makes my items completely unique, because I could never make this same mix again. It fits into the stand perfectly, and there we go. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye.